Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to split cell in Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have a one sentence and this sentence I'm going to split. Okay. This sentence is showing in first cell. When I click on the first cell, you can see it in formula bar showing the full sentence. When I click on the second cell, this sentence is not shown. Okay. So this is sentence right in first cell, not in other cell. And if you want to merge all the cells, so you can just select all the cell and go to the home tab. In alignment group, click on the merge and center option and click on the merge cell. Now you can see only one cell. It means all cell is merged in one cell. When you click on it, you can see here the sentence. Now, if you want to unmerge again, same as go to the same option and click on the unmerge. Okay. Now it's unmerge. Okay. And to split it, select the cell and go to the data tab. Okay. Then click on the text to column option in data tools group. Okay. So in text to column. Okay. Then click on the next. Don't change here anything. And you can see here data preview. It's split in every column. Every word is split from this sentence. So just click on the next, click on the finish, and that's it. You can see all word is split of this sentence. So this is the way you can split the cell in Excel. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.